Today on the snack menu, we've got an irresistible Chana Aloo Chaat. And to add a little extra zing to this recipe, we'll be using Kabita's Kitchen Chaat Masala, a special and authentic blend that instantly elevates flavor. We will start by boiling our chana. In this recipe, we've chosen Kabuli chana. Side by side, also boil a couple of potatoes and slice some onions, tomatoes, green chilies and coriander leaves. Once the chana has boiled, strain the water and mix in the onions, tomatoes, potatoes and chilies. Add a little salt to taste. Finally, add a dash of Kabita's Kitchen Chaat Masala to complete your homemade and healthy Chana Aloo Chaat. Toss it well till all the ingredients are well incorporated and your flavorful Chana Aloo Chaat is ready to be served. Try out this simple and easy recipe soon with Kabita's Kitchen Chaat Masala for an authentic and truly wholesome treat in the comfort of your home.